In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Pinterest pin to Instagram easily and efficiently. Whether you're a regular Pinterest user looking to expand your audience or just want to showcase your favorite finds to your Instagram followers, this guide will help you accomplish that in no time. Let's begin with opening your web browser and heading over to Pinterest. In the address bar, type in pinterest.com and press enter. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Just enter your credentials and you're good to go. Now that you're signed in, let's navigate to your profile. Look for your profile picture or icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen, and give that a click. It will take you straight to your profile where all your saved pins reside. On your profile page, your next step is to find and click on the Pins section. This is the area where all your saved and created pins are neatly stored, making it easy for you to decide which one you'd like to share. Once you're there, scroll through your pins and find the one that you think will captivate your Instagram followers' attention. Maybe it's a stunning landscape, a yummy-looking recipe, or an inspirational quote. Whatever it is, once you've decided, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice several icons appearing on or near the pin. What you want to do next is click on the share icon. It's typically symbolized by an upward arrow, making it instantly recognizable. With this step, you open up a small menu of sharing options. Now, if you are already connected to various social media platforms, you might see Instagram as one of the sharing options. However, if Instagram doesn't pop up, don't worry. There's an easy workaround for this. Simply click Copy Link, and this will copy the direct link to your pin. Now that you've got the link, head over to Instagram. Depending on whether you're on your desktop or mobile device, you'll either open your Instagram app or go to instagram.com and log into your account. Once in, move over to create a new post or story and paste the link you copied from Pinterest into the caption or story URL section. It's as simple as that. The link will let your followers view the pin directly, allowing them to appreciate the same content that caught your eye. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a Pinterest pin to Instagram. It's a simple process that helps you leverage both platforms, whether you're sharing with friends or trying to engage a larger audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to come back every time you need a refresher or share this with someone who might benefit from it too. Happy pinning and posting!